Hi, Computer 8 class. Hope everything is going good. For your next assignment for PowerPoint, you'll be working with shapes. Um, so I do have a link to your handout that is under the attachments section of your post homework. And in that handout, it's going to show 2 slides up at the top. So you will have to create the 2 slides. You'll be using a blank presentation. Your first slide is a title slide. Your second slide is a blank layout. And I'm just going to go ahead and create a blank layout so I can show you just a couple things. So on slide 2, you will have to make some ovals, specific sizes. So insert shapes. I got an oval I can drag out. So here's your sizes. We did all of that in Microsoft Word. It also says they all need to be the first style. So whenever you're working with your shapes, make sure you're under your shape section. And I'm going to open up my styles, and here's my first style. So it's always just the first one up at the top. You also have some lines that you have to drag out in order to make your snowman. You guys will be building a snowman today. Insert shapes. We're just going to use our line. What I want you to do when you're making your line is, if I drag out a line, I have this free form. But I want you to hold your shift key down as you drag out your line, and it'll be forced to be a straight line because we want straight lines. And once you have your line, you'll have to change it to a certain width. And again, you got your shape outline, you have a weight that you have to change it to, and also a color. You'll need to drag out a right triangle, fill it with orange, the size is listed there. You have 2 ovals for the eyes, size is listed, they need to be filled black. For the snowman mouth, you're going to be using scribble. Insert shapes. Scribble is here at the end of your lines, and you can just kind of do your best at trying to drag out a smile. And again, it works just like any other shape. You got your sizes here. Outline has to be black. All right, once you have all of those shapes created on slide 2, you're now going to go to the handout, to the part that says, now it's time to assemble the snowman. And you're going to step through 1 through 9. A lot of things, again, we did in Microsoft Word, but I just want to review. So if I select my oval, I have my align, because we used with that. So you will have to use your align on some of your shapes. You will have to group. So again, hold your shift key down, select what you need, and then you should have group here as an option for you to group. On number 6, you will have to insert a rectangle, and it's going to go across the entire bottom of your slide. And again, you'll have to use your size up at the top. And then it says to fill it gradient using linear up. So if I open up my shape fill and I go to my gradient, if you hover over those, it'll tell you what they are, and you should be able to find linear up. And then you have to, I'm going to drag this up a little bit just so we can see it a little better. But you will have to send your rectangle backwards. So again, you got your beam forward, send backwards. So that's pretty much it. So you will create the 2 slides and then follow the directions, steps 1 through 9, to put the snowman together. So let me know if you have any questions. Talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.